beautiful people of the world, welcome back to my channel. I did this makeup look. It's kind of like a rose gold, very natural, if you guys can see. If you guys are interested in learning how to recreate this look, just stay tuned to my channel and you guys can see the tutorial. Next video I post is gonna be in Spanish. The next blog I post is gonna be in Spanish. Since this is a tutorial, I'm gonna post it in English. I hope you guys really enjoy it so much. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave some comments down below if you have any questions. I'm gonna be leaving all in the description box all the products I use in my face, and as well I'm gonna try to show you guys in the video the products I have used. But this is my look. And by the way, if you guys are interested in my outfit, this is what I'm wearing. This is a Sunday, so it's just a Sunday look. Yeah, so just stay tuned so you can guys watch the tutorial. And I love you guys so much. Besitos. And just the video's gonna end and I'm not gonna have a closing video, but you know, you guys get the point of it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so we're gonna be using the Olay Total Effects 7-in-1, and this is a pretty much anti-aging moisturizer. And moving on, I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and we're just gonna tap this all over my face and eyelid. And for foundation, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way in the color Almond, and we're gonna mix it with example packet I have in the color Mocha, just to make my color since it's summer and I'm getting a little tanner. And for concealer, I'm gonna be using the LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Porcelain. And for powder, I'm gonna be using the Clinique Natural Fair powder, and I'm just gonna use this to set under my eyes, and I'm gonna leave a little bit of excess just when I do my eyeshadows. If I have any fallout, I will just sweep it away under my eyes. And for bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Sephora brush, and I'm gonna be using the Beauty Crop bronzer in the color Tanneries. Moving to eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the Cara Beauty dark brown, and this is like a little dip brow thing, and I'm just gonna use an angle Sephora brush for the job. We're just gonna be cleaning the eyebrow up with a flat brush and the same LA Colors concealer, just to give the eyebrow a little more pop. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the Moods eyeshadow by Laura Sanchez, and this is like a rosy gold pink. Unfortunately, the lighting wasn't picking up the color, but once I step out in the sun, you guys are gonna be able to view this beautiful color, and I'm just gonna be using a flat brush to place this color in the eyelids. And for my crease, I'm gonna be using the kleancolor Tanra matte bronzer, and this is just to blend out the edges of the Moods color I had placed previously on my eyelids. And to create a little bit more dimension, I'm gonna be using the Sephora Malted Milshake color, and I'm just gonna be keeping this in the edges of the eye just to create a little more pop in them. Since we're done with the eye look, we're gonna be using the Ciate eyeliner, and I think the eyeliner is called Starstruck, and I hope the name is correct. If not, I would just add it in the description down below. And we're just doing the same steps to this eye as we did to the previous eyes. Then I'm gonna be using an eyelash curler to curl my lashes, and I'm gonna be using the Aiko Lash Light Lash Alert mascara. And for the cheeks, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Peach Bunny bronzer. And the reason why I'm using a little bronzer is because this has a little peachy tone. And I don't like my cheeks to be very bright and red or rosy. So I'm using a warm tone for this. And for highlighter, we're gonna be using the Lady Lunder Shimmer Squat in the color The Good Girl. And I'm gonna be using a fan brush to put this on the top points of my face, girl. We're gonna be blinding today. Brow bone, I'm gonna be using this other highlighter in the color Moondust. Let's dust this moon on my top bone. I'm gonna be using this shade called Trust Me. I don't remember the name of the brand because when I purchased this liquid lipstick, it was a while back, but it's pretty good. I'm in love with the shade, and if you guys can see it in the pharmacy, snatched it, girl. This is it, my loves. I hope you guys enjoy my tutorial.